guys, and today we're going to be reviewing this plane. Yeah, it's KLM. So let's go open it. This is the results. It looks pretty nice, right? And then let's build it. Do I need scissors? Okay, I'll be right back, okay? All right, I'm back. So now let's cut it open. Oh my, this is kind of looking hard. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, and why am I struggling? Okay, anyways, we got it. You won the race. Okay, we did it. Now let's open it. Okay, we opened it, so now we gotta take it out. Look at that, guys. That is crazy. Here's it, and it looks so cool. This is gonna be kind of hard. You see this wing? We're gonna attach it. 3, 2, 1, boom. And wait, up, yeah. The wings. Now it cannot fly because it does not have the tail. So we gotta attach it. This is gonna be the hard part. Okay, I attached it. Now let's do this one. Okay, and did I attach it? No, I did not attach it. I can see a part sticking out. Oh my. Okay, there we go. And final piece. Boom. Ta-da! We made our plane. Now it can fly peacefully. But I think we're forgetting one thing. Ta-da! Now we just gotta do this, yeah? Well, I'll be right back. Sorry, my mom was talking to me. But anyways, this is what you're supposed to do. And then, boom. Now we can just add this to our room. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.